Hi guys, it's a good news for all of you that practicing of yoga and pranayam for your enchanting and good health has become mandatory nowadays due to adulterated food and life constantly under stress. To facilitate yoga practice, we have brought to light the most efficacious material for all of you to read and make the best use thereof. We hope that this booklet will invariably stand you in good stead. With these words, I wish all of you to be healthy, happy by virtue of regular yoga practice. Namaskar. The practice of yoga has become the talk of the day in India as well as abroad. Yoga is nowadays of paramount significance since a career option has grown revolutionary. It is yoga only through which one can achieve a high standards of personality development. Yoga has positive effects on all major psychiatric disorders like depression, schizophrenia and sleep problems. Yoga enhances emotional and psychological instincts of keeping the fascinating personality. The high pressure lifestyle of today has led to an unprecedented rise in stress levels. Consequently, the requirement for qualified yoga therapists has become indispensable in numerous countries. To meet the demand today, a large number of health conscious youngsters are being attracted to yoga benefits of stupendous upshots. Fascination is merely an illusion which does not stay for a longer spell of time. It is the talent coupled with virtuous nobility of moral imperatives that last long. Hope that you understand what I said here. One should not go after physical attraction. It is the talent coupled with virtuous nobility that lasts long. Culmination of illuminated emotions coupled with degenerating enthusiasm can any moment result into utter ruin of the long outstanding cherished dreams. Therefore, impulsive tendency of reaction to any action should get demoralized. One should not react to any action. One should always use one's mind sagaciously to brood over the entire situation and to generate the outcome of one's action taken in haste. This is what I recommend to people. Do not act in a haste. Namaskar. Human affairs would be far more happier if the power in men to be silent were the same as that to speak. So always speak after giving due consideration, because it may hurt anyone and jeopardize your situation for further resumption of matured dialogue delivery. I recommend always use your words when you find your silence is not good. Every life has a potential to blossom. Blossoming of a human life is called yoga. And meditation, pranayam and other set of exercises helps to achieve your potential. People find it difficult to meditate. In meditation, 3 rules you have to follow. You are nothing, you want nothing, and you will be doing nothing for under 10 minutes or 20 minutes. You can set some target for yourself. 5 minutes is for the beginners. 5 minutes are okay. I'll show you how you should meditate. Please come with me. Before starting your meditation, make sure you sit comfortable on some good rag so that you perform naturally. Red color would be fine because it generates energy throughout your. जय सूर्यदेव भगवान, हम सब आपको प्रणाम करते हैं. जय हो भगवान. Now you may start your exercises. What is meditation? Meditation means taking a deep plunge into your soul. In deep relaxation is meditation. We have 7 layers of existence, that is mind, body, memory, ego, self, intellect and breath. Any energetic dysfunction in any part of your body will not allow you to function naturally. So yoga does help to bring back to your natural level, that is to be yourself. Okay, now I'll show you how you should meditate. Meditation is nothing. Meditation means living in the present moment. The moment you start thinking that you want to do meditation, you will not be able to do meditation. You have to be natural, calm, serene. While doing meditation, make sure that your spine is erect, shoulders relaxed. You have to follow simple technique. 3 rules you have to follow. First is you are nothing. Second is you want nothing. And third is you will be doing nothing for another 20 minutes. Okay, so start with me with deep breath and smiling face. ये सदाबहार का पेड़ है, पौधा है। इसके आप फल खा सकते हैं, फूल खा सकते हैं। जिनको वेट कम करना है वो 2 पत्ते ले सकते हैं सुबह और खाली पेट इसको आप खा सकते हैं। इससे आपका वेट कम होगा। ये है नीम का पौधा और आप तो इसके मेडिसिनल बेनिफिट्स के बारे में सब लोग जानते ही हैं। खाली पेट सुबह अगर आप इसके 2 पत्ते लेते हैं, एक तो ये आपके पेट के कीड़ों को मारता है और दूसरा आपके वेट कम करने में ये सहायक है। तो आप इससे अपना लाभ उठा सकते हैं और मैं आपको खा के दिखाती हूँ कि ये खाने में कितना मीठा होता है। दिस इज़ अ वेरी यूजफुल ट्री, इट हैज़ मेडिसिनल बेनिफिट्स। यू कैन टेक 2 leaves. This will dissolve all your cysts existing in your body. Just take 2 or 3 couple of leaves along with the bark. You can take the bark also. Take empty stomach in the morning. ये जो पेड़ आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, इसको अमलतास का पेड़ कहते हैं। इसके अनगिनत फ़ायदे हैं। जो इसका मेन फ़ायदा ये है, जिन लोगों का भी वेट कम नहीं हो रहा, जो वेट नहीं कम कर पा रहे हैं, वो अपना वेट इससे कम कर सकते हैं। इसके अंदर वो हरे वाले लंबे वाले स्टिक्स होते हैं, जो कि आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ। जो कि ये यहाँ पे हैं, ये देखिए, ये स्टिक्स होते हैं इनमें, ये लंबे वाले हरे वाले। आपको जो करना है वो एवरी डे एम्प्टी स्टमक you have to consume this much stick every day. If you take this empty stomach without consuming anything in the morning, you will be able to reduce your around 5 to 10 kgs a month. And in case if you want to go further ahead, you can take the leaves also. Take 2 leaves and take it empty stomach in the morning without taking anything. This will remove all the gastric troubles that you're having in your system and it will give you a clear motion.
सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। आरती साई बाबा जीवा सुख का विश्राम जीवा, विश्राम जीवा, आरती साई।